Palitan na natin yung sing-sing ko ng bago. I deserve a new one. Siya yung nagbigay ng sing-sing. Oh, thank you!
Hello everybody! For today's video, I'm exploring the breathtaking valleys of Chitral. Isa ito sa pinakamagagandang nakatagong yaman ng Pakistan. At isa rin sa pinaka-nakakahilong biyahe.
Pero nahihilo ako na...
But the endless green landscapes na parang postcard ay talaga naman.
Sobrang ganda ng paligid namin.
Para makarating dito, I passed through the incredible 10.5-kilometer Lowari Tunnel that cuts through the mighty Hindu Kush Mountains and connects Chitral with the rest of Pakistan. At syempre, no adventure is complete without food.
Grabe yung pagkain ko. Ito naman pala siyang buo.
We had a quick stop and tried their amazing local beef gosh. Kaya tara, inuman tayo.
No, I don't drink a lot. Gusto mo sila pa yung nag-gift sa akin.
This is Kate Toretto from Pakistan. Let's go.
Everybody,
Let's do
so
it.
finally arrived in my last destination. Ganda ng view at the moment. Everybody, so again, we are leaving this random town or city na pinuntahan ko. Nakakaaliw itong ginawa ko. Nabuo na ulit yung pagkatao ko because just like I mentioned yesterday, sabi ko sa inyo, kapag wala talaga akong gustong gawin sa buhay, kailangan ko lang ng adventure. So, tawang-tawa talaga ako. Yung pinipili ko yung pupuntahan ko, sabi ko, mini, mo. Tapos, eto na yung tumutok sa aking sa aking destinasyon. Na-enjoy ko naman siya actually. So ayun, maraming pwedeng puntahan dito, maraming pwedeng ganap, ganyan. Not so many pala. It's literally ano lang siya, normal na town lang siya, hindi siya yung anong tawag dito, hindi siya yung tourist destination. So ayun, and hindi mo nila naiintindihan, I would like to thank my security. Tanong sila Saud.
Misbah.
Sweet?
Misbah.
Wisba?
Misbah.
Misba. Oh, I would like to thank my 24/7 security na hindi ako iniwanan kahit hindi naman talaga kailangan. Kulang na lang ipasok ko sila sa kwarto, mag-check kami, mag-banding kami buong magdamag. So, ayan. Thank you very much again, sir. See you on Kalash. Sir, thank you. Shukriya. Seryoso si sir sa buhay. Traffic pala tong lugar na to sa umaga. But ayun na nga. So ayun na, again, sana na-enjoy nyo tong episode. This is just a bonus clip, everybody. Magkita-kita tayo on the next part of this vlog. Dadalhin ko kayo sa somewhere na bago sa ating paningin lahat. At of course, it's still gonna be beautiful. But ayun na yun. Basta, may madalang naman yung sinasabi ko eh. Magulo pala ito sa umaga. Babalikan ko na lang to because I just discovered that meron pala akong friend nearby dito. So, ayun na lang yung gagawin natin next time. Ang dami sa kanilang military activity.
You're very good girl.
I'm good. I am good. I am the best.
You are the best.
I am Sindabad. Alam niyo ba, pag pumunta kayo sa Pakistan, may mga lugar na ialaw kayo sa mobile, may mga lugar naman na hindi kayo ialaw. Siguro nawala na rin sila ng choice. Sinakay na lang nila ako sa mobile. Ingay! Alam mo ba, nawala na yung takot ko sa baril. Sa isang taon ko dito sa Pakistan, nawala na yung takot ko sa baril kasi araw-araw ko silang kasama. Totoo lang, yung AK-47 dito, wala na. Normal na lang sa paningin ko. AK-47, shotgun, Armalite. Nawala na yung takot ko sa baril. Alam mo saan ako natatakot? Masaktan. Everybody! Wait lang. Wait lang po. Wait, pinagagagawa ko sa buhay ko, no? Everybody, it's Kate Toretto here. So for today's video, samahan nyo ako. We're gonna go on an adventure. We're gonna go to Ayun. We're gonna go to Chitral, but first we're gonna have to stop to Ayun to meet a friend. So we're gonna go there. Let's go. Ma-experience na natin first time in my vlog, Kalash Valley. Let's go. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you will be updated sa aking mga ganap sa kakamunduhan. Tara na! Malis na tayo. Let's go. Oh, everybody, we are departing here. So, bigo tayo to find and to try the local transport. And they have the best security here. Nakakaloka sila. Ayaw nila akong... Again, this is not a tourist area kasi. Kaya pag nakita ako ng mga tao, takang-taka sila sa nangyayari kung anong ginagawa ko dito. So, ayun na. Let's go. Alam mo, ako na yung nai-stress sa mga sinasakyan kong bus kasi kinukuha talaga nila lahat ng number, yung number ng driver, yung ID ng driver. Ako yung nahihiya minsan. But good thing about them is they know naman na it's gonna be normal. Ah, may mga pa... Oh. You connect? Watch video.
What do you say about
Pakistan, beautiful, cool. Cool.
What about the hospitality?
Yeah,
About
hospitality is also good.
People treating you well here?
Yeah, that's why I'm here 1 year.
1 year?
Yeah,
Yes.
almost 2. I come back 2024 April. First time I come.
22 April?
2024
2020.
April.
Because Islamabad is the most advanced city in Pakistan.
It's the capital, right?
Sorry?
Islamabad is the capital, right?
Yeah, capital.
Yeah. Punta ka. Welcome to Pakistan. Ang lamig. Alam mo, sinala ko na to kasi malamig pala. Nakakaloka. Diba? I'm ready to go. Ang ganda ng metro station nila. Sana maganda din sa loob. Na-try natin yung metro station, na-try natin yung sa Georgia, na-try din natin yung dito. And then,
24. Those are 24 na wala na wati da bas pa traveling manila.
हाँ.
nakakatuwa yung mga tao dito.
देखो राशे.
So, ayan siya.
देखो राशा. देखो राशा था. देखो राशा. Da gote iraula.
Para tayo nasa lumang panahon. Tapos dumating na yung magta-transition. Ay,
Get padu.
niloloko na rin nagbebenta ng sing-sing. Baka di nyo bayaran yan, ha? Okay, kuha tayo. I like black. Ek minute. I try first. Which one is good?
I know about gemstones because I am also a gemologist.
Me also. Magpakita ka. Taga-benta lang siya. Kitne this one. Asan na? Kitne. Ek minute. Ay, ang ganda ng black. Ek minute. Maganda to. Hoy, ganda. May talaga. Wag yan. Try natin. Ay, no, ayoko niya. Masakit yan. Ang unique naman nito. Ano to?
It is fine. It is fine.
This fine?
It is fine.
Hindi raw maganda to. Sabi ko nga. Oh, wait. Try natin to. Taray, no? Sakto sa... Ayoko ng silver, hindi maganda sa akin. Palitan na natin yung sing-sing ko ng bago. I deserve a new one. Gusto mo sila pa yung nag-gift sa akin. Okay, na.
Huh?
Ay, gift. Gift. Thank you. Alam mo, ito wala pa akong ginagastos sa lugar na to. Sa totoo lang. O, binigay sa akin ni Kuya. Sana yan? Asan na siya? Thank you. Asan na yun? Thank you. Siya yung nagbigay ng sing-sing ko. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Grabe yung titig niya. Oh, hindi na siya umalis dito. Magtutropa sila. Oh, hindi na sila umalis sa tabi ko. Hi everybody! While we are waiting for the public transportation, ito si Daddy Bibo. Sabi niya, ipapasyal muna kita. Matagal pa naman yan. So, sino ba naman ako para pigilan ka? Sarap naman ito. Alam mo kasi ako ito nakikita sa Dubai, sa labor market. Let's go. Ay, sorry. Oh, let's go. Alam mo, titingin ako ng wallet. Trip lang. Parang gusto ko nang palitan yung wallet ko. Everybody, so ayan na, let's go. Umalis na yung Karoo. We are heading to, hindi pa ako dadiretso siya sa Chitral. I'll be staying in the village first. So ayan. Naghanap talaga ako ng village na pwedeng pag-stayan because I wanna feature Kalash Village. Again, this is not the tourist kind of traveling Kemerut Bumbum. This is K2 way na sinusuyod ko talaga the villages. I'm so excited because it's my first time to go to Kalash Valley and to meet yung mga Chitralis. My God, I'm so excited. This is like almost 2 years in the making. Yes. Sabi-sabi kami nagsasalita, nakakaloka. Everybody meet the driver for today's video. Basta ano mo today?
Fakir.
Wakil?
Fakir.
Wakil.
F-A-Q-I-R.
Fakir.
I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. I feel it in my bones like you'll come along now. Baby, you're coming through. Do what you gotta do. Take it to the big scene. Take it all. Go for hope and glory. Go, go long. Baby, for love, go all for love. We're going for love, for beating hearts off the charts. Love, go all for love. We're going for love, baby, going for love, baby, for love.
Hello everybody! Ready to explore the beauty of Pakistan? This fall, come experience Pakistan with us in its most magical season. And let's all make an unforgettable moment together. Join our autumn tour this 2026 with your hosts, Kate Loreto and Francis Candier. Batch 4 starts on October 29 and Batch 5 starts on November 12. Price starts at $699 USD for 6 days.
Wow.
From breathtaking landscapes to authentic village life, this is more than just a trip. It's a story that you will remember forever. Limited slots only. Are you ready to explore Pakistan like never before? Message now to reserve your spot.
You can connect the hotspot I have turned on again.
Thank you. Showing you a bit of the life here. So we're still like 5 to 6 hours away from my final Kemerut Boom Boom. Pag di na kaya ng English, Kemerut Boom Boom na lang talaga.
Hussain bhi, ye mera dost hai.
We're in the market right now, kaya medyo trafficking after the good views and all that. Here we are. Trafficking. Ay, parang mali yun. Traffic lang. Huwag natin gawin trafficking. Mapapahamak tayo dyan. So here is the traffic. Everybody, so it's our first stop and last stop. So lang naman tong stop na to. So we're gonna have our lunch bago pa ako pumunta sa aking pupuntahan, and freshen up, naghilamos ako para magising ako.
Beef and roti?
Yeah, gosh. Beef gosh. Everybody, it's lunchtime. Oh, why you eating alone there? Ay, ang sarap. Can we sit together? It's okay, sit. Nakisama na lang ako. Can you give me what I want? I ordered beef gosh. What did you order?
Like beef?
You also?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beef.
Just ordered beef.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want beef?
Yeah. Beef gosh. Or what is this? Pulao? Chicken pulao?
Pepsi wasn't available.
Ay. Yeah, okay. Ang bait mo naman sa akin. Thank you, wakas. How are you? You are good. Oh, kumain ka dyan. Pengi ah. Okay, next stop lang kami somewhere na I don't know. Na, basta. Masarap naman yung beef. Tinikman ko na sa katabi ko. Masarapan ako. So, I like that. Are you okay with the vlog? Okay? Say hi. Inistorbo ko si kuya kumakain. So, this is my food, everybody. You see this? Grabe yung pagkain ko. Ito naman pala siyang ito naman pala siya. Ipasabog ka naman palang bata ka. Ginalingan nyo naman pala. Porkit foreigner ako. Kayo talaga. Tuloko nyo ako. Ito tapos ka naman Let's eat. Oh. Roti muna ako kasi lalamig to eh. Taray naman pala. Magkano kaya to? Curious ako. Tapos na tayong kumain, everybody. It's time for the chai. Ay, ang cute ng baby. Uwi ko talaga sa Malabon niya. Ana. Hana, parang ang nipis ko dito, everybody. Oh, kikita nyo ba yung ganda ko? Wow! Chatis lang. Parang ito yung first time kong wala pa akong pinuntahan na nagbabayad ako. Grabe, lahat yata ng bill ko, binayaran na nila. Bayaran nyo na rin yung karo ko. Charis lang. Joke lang. Grabe yan. Ayaw nila akong pagbayaran dito. Ay. Chai na pala. Nag-aayos pa ako ng bag, chai na pala. Okay. Chai. My family? My family?
Oh, my family. My family. Oh my God.
You are famous, Baba. Say, Chais ka na eh? Chini problem? Chini? Mushkil? Sugar problem. Ami? Same. Sugar problem. Me नहीं Ami. आओ.
हमारी अम्मी जिंदे
हाँ?
हम जिंदे
Ami Sinde?
यानी
Husband?
your mother,
My mother?
my father, your father,
Mother, yes. Father, nay.
no, brother,
Yes.
2 1,
Two. Do.
3 sister.
Ek. Hindi ko na ipipilit yung bayad ko. So, let's go. Say hi. Oh. Everybody, let's go. Ang kitong bata, oh. Ang kitong bata, oh. Nakatayo lang siya dyan. Hindi siya umaalis. Assalamualaikum. Hindi siya umaalis dyan. Simula kumain ako, nakatayo na yung bata dyan. Tapos na ako, nakatayo pa din siya. So, tara na, everybody. Picture now, picture. Let's go. Bas?
Okay.
Grabe yung lugar nila. Parang paraiso sa sobrang ganda. Kita nyo ba there? May snow na agad. Ganda, no? So here we are, everybody, right after the evening. Hoy, impressed na ako. Nagagandahan na ako sa Chitral. Mukhang dito na ako magtatatambay na naman. Grabe, ang ganda ng Chitral. Bakit kita dinili ng mahigit 1 taon? Maganda, pero wag lang kami dudulas dito kasi hindi maganda yon. Oo. Ayun naman yung hindi magandang part. But ang ganda mo, Chitral. Grabe. Ano pa bang i-offer ng Pakistan? Ano pa bang wala dito? Ang gwapo ng mga tao. It's giving na Rancagan vibes. Ganun siya. Pero may iba siyang vibes eh. May kakaiba siyang dating. Para siyang, basta ganun, para siyang ganun. Ganun na lang. Para siyang ganun. Hindi mo ma-explain. E di para na lang siyang ganun. Grabe, ang gagwapo. Gagwapo nila siya. Kasi stress ako. Parang gusto ko nalang magpababa. Tapos, sawahin nyo na ako. Sige na, ready na ako. Parang ganun. Grabe. Ito yung tipo ng view na araw-araw kong makikita. Wala kang marinig sa akin. Ano pang sa Pakistan? Ano pang wala dito? Completos ligados. Ganda. Hoy, nakikita niyo ba to? Grabe, sobrang ganda. Salam.
पासपोर्ट है वैसा
Grabe, sobrang ganda naman sa lugar na to.
नमोली बन वन सु गाड़ी रावण
Grabe, sobrang ganda naman ng lugar na to. Grabe.
ये का बारह नो दिल के शिनो
Sinusunod ko na yung snow kasi magsa-summer na, mawawala na po yung mga snowing. So, one way lang kasi itong ano na to, itong Luwari tunnel na to. So, this is like one way?
One way.
One way. Kaya naghihintayan yung mga sasakyan.
One way, kanala ka? Gari na rawandi bas na watuki.
Gwapo.
Tisho. Warega.
So, ito na ang mga nagaganap at the moment.
Borda overtake karta.
Gwapo nito. Gwapo niya, shucks. Kuya.
Dada si Jurde Kaliwala.
So, this is gonna be everybody, the Luwari Tunnel, 10.5 kilometer. My God.
How? 4 kilometer da di ba kitro ide 4 kilometer da mo.
Ito na yata yung pinakamahaba kong tunnel in my life.
That was you
10.5 kilometer.
Bora.
Tapos one way
Da
lang
you.
siya.
You
Let's
be ni
go.
kana gire.
Bago maitayo ang Luwari Tunnel, ang pagpunta sa Chitral ay hindi basta-bastang biyahe. Kinakailangan noon ng mga tao na tumawid sa Lowari Pass, isang mataas at mapanganib na daan sa kabundukan ng Hindu Kush. Sa panahon ng taglamig, natatakpan ito ng makapal na yelo at kadalasang nagsasara ng ilang buwan, dahilan upang maputol ang koneksyon ng Chitral sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pakistan. Maraming tao ang napipilitang maglakad sa gitna ng matinding lamig at mapanganib na mga bangin para lamang makarating sa kanilang destinasyon. Sa ilang pagkakataon, napipilitan pa ang mga tao na dumaan sa Afghanistan upang makabalik sa ibang bahagi ng Pakistan. Dahil sa matinding panahon at panganib ng avalanche, bawat biyahe ay may kasamang malaking panganib. Ngunit ngayon, dahil sa Luwari Tunnel na may habang 10.5 kilometer, naging mas mabilis, mas ligtas, at posible ang paglalakbay sa buong taon. Ang dating mahirap at delikadong pagtawid ay isa na lamang alaala. At ang tunnel na ito ay naging mahalagang daan na nag-uugnay sa Chitral at sa iba pang bahagi ng Pakistan. Isang karangalan para sa akin ang ma-meet ang isa sa mga engineer na kasama nagtayo ng tunnel na to habang naglalakbay ako sa Chitral.
Oh, kacha. Ano mo thora wala to badi dikhe.
Grabe, yelo na agad yung paligid namin.
Chitral hawa pamunga wale.
Assalam. Ano yana? Juli.
Ang ganda nun, no?
इसका गाड़ी अच्छा उधर आगे साइड में दरम्यान में क्लिक कर दो
Grabe, ang ganda. Parang hindi nauubos yung magandang lugar dito, no? Grabe, sobrang ganda ng paligid namin. Parang hindi nauubos yung magandang tanawin dito sa Pakistan, no? Para kang pumunta sa Skardu, para kang nagnaran kagad, Punza, Gilgit. May ganun siyang feels.
2,000 years later.
इसका नहीं पड़ता ये देखो अभी बर्फ भी पड़ती है ना लेकिन चतराल कोई नहीं रुकते ये फील्डर चलते तो बड़ा गाड़ी तो छोड़ो ऊपर से ये गाड़ी हम 9 घंटे में पहुंचा देता नीचे हो गया तो 5 हो गया 4 घंटे फर्क पड़ा भाई उतरे ही बानी ना कामयाब है देखा उतरे खतरनाक उतरे जा और की सड़क तबाह की
ये भी हाई
رهائشی آبادی شاید
After hours on the road, countless security checkpoints, and some of the roughest road I've traveled in Pakistan, I finally made it to Chitral. To be honest, the journey was exhausting. There were moments when it felt like the road would never end. And every checkpoint reminded me just how remote this part of the country really is. But as the mountains opened up and the beautiful valley of Chitral came into view, lahat ng kapaguran ko parang nawala siya. There's something special about finally arriving at a place you've worked so hard to reach. The fresh mountain air, the stunning scenery, and the feeling of accomplishment make every challenge along the way worth it. Right now, I'm tired, dusty, and definitely ready for a good meal. But I'm also incredibly happy. After such a long journey, it feels amazing to finally be here, and I am so excited to experience the beauty and culture of Chitral. Sometimes, the hardest journeys lead to the most rewarding destination. A few weeks ago, I was going through one of the hardest chapters of my life. A heartbreak that left me feeling lost and emotionally drained. Staying in the same place, surrounded by the same memories, made it difficult to move forward. So I decided to do what I've always loved: travel. And somewhere along these roads, between unfamiliar places, breathtaking landscapes, and conversations with complete strangers, I started to feel alive again. Traveling didn't magically erase the pain, but it gave me something I desperately needed. A reminder that life is still full of beautiful experiences waiting to be discovered. Every new destination became a small step forward, and every adventure and every unexpected moment helped me focus less on what I had lost and more on what was still ahead of me. Healing isn't about forgetting. It's about learning to smile again, finding joy in the present, and realizing that your story continues. Sometimes, the best therapy isn't staying still. It's packing your bag, exploring the world, and allowing yourself to fall in love with life all over again.
Ayun, this is Ayun. Para ka nasa Batanes, ganun yung nararamdaman ko at the moment. Kahit hindi pa ako nakakapag-Batanes, but it's giving Batanes vibes.
لا لا ولد الخطوس
Ang ganda niya.
سين براك يا اخي خراب هذيك الزور كري خسته
Ganda, no?
ليش شوره ولا لا
Para siyang Batanes with snow. Ganun siya. Lalakarin ko to. Yung lakad-lakad lang, trip-trip lang. Gagawin ko yan dito. Hindi ko nagawa sa North yun eh. Nahihilo ako, everybody. Sorry naman. Grabe kasi yung daan. Parang bituka ng manok. Pero 3 oras. Hilong-hilo na ako. Everybody, so finally arrived in my last destination. So ayun, ganda ng view at the moment. Super ganda. Wala akong masabi. I'll be here 30 minutes. Alam mo na yung mga 30 minutes kapag nasa bundok ka. 1 oras yan. Hindi ako pagod pero nahihilo ako, na shake yung utak ko sa biyahe. Kailangan ako magpahinga. Parang naduduwal ako sa hilo, girl. Papanadol ko na lang to mamaya. But yeah, I'll wait here and I'll show you a little bit of Kalash Bali. Tapos continuation mamaya sa pag-i-stayan ko. Okay? Ayan siya, ganyan siyang kaganda. Grabe, no? Okay, I think the difference dito sa Kalash, wait, hindi ko pa masasabing difference, later na lang pala. Pero grabe yung bundok dito. Literal na valley talaga siya. Malala, die. Super ganda, super love it. Everybody, I'm finally heading to my location. O diba, sabi ko sa inyo, 30 minutes dito, 1 hour ay mahigit eh. Buti na lang trained na ako sa Pakistan. Pag sinabi nilang 15 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes yan. Pag sinabi nilang 30 minutes, pero wait lang, napakaganda naman nito talaga, oh. O ayan na, bawing-bawi tayo sa mga view ko, ha. Super ganda namang landscape na pinapakita ko sa inyo recently. And I hope that you're enjoying it the way I enjoy it. So, ayan na nga. You have hotspot ba dyan? Medyo malamig na dito, pero manageable naman kasi manipis lang tong jacket na to. Very, very light lang to. So, ayun. Grabe, napakaganda naman dito. Kala mo painting lang siya. Kung di ko igagalaw yung camera, tinan mo. O di ba para siyang painting? So, sobrang ganda. Ay, nako. I'm excited how the morning looks like here. Let's go.
First you have your soup, then we have some barbecue.
Everybody, oh, this is mine? Yeah. So I arrived to my friend's house now. Then he brought me to a party, so let's do this. Where should I eat it? Here? I'm here, I'll just stand here. Yeah, I'm okay here. It's okay? Everybody, bonus clip. So I'm finally here. So, change outfit tayo. So, nag-iisa kong jacket na dala ko sa Pakistan. Actually, marami naman to. Mga 3 yan. Pero ito lang talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko. Kasi, whenever like I travel alone, I just kind of feel like more comfortable. If I'm wearing this, parang hindi ako ma-homesick. If I have my old smell here, madali ako nakakatulog. So, sa mga trigera ng buhay ko, ba't ako nagpapalit ng jacket? Wala kayong pake, first of all. Charis lang, joke lang. Hindi kasi ako nakakatulog, nahihirapan ako pag di ko naaamoy yung parang pinagpawisan ko. So, let's try the corn soup. Zahir is still here?
No.
He already go?
Yeah. Come on, have a seat here.
He left? Zahir, he left?
Yeah. What?
He already left? Your brother?
Yeah. He left. Tomorrow he will come.
Okay.
Weekend. It is weekend. My friends have visited me, so I have made special barbecue for them. So one is working on bank, one is working on museum, one is working on. They are all needy person.
Needy?
One will brief you at museum, Kalasha Museum. One is in there, one is in bank, one is in police, one is in something. This is chef Din.
Shpata?
This
Shpata.
is Hassan. Waiter. This is Fula, assistant cook.
Brother?
They are like brothers, yeah.
Okay, they look the same.
Sarkane Barukko.
I'll go there?
Yes, come on.
Okay, nice meeting you guys. Everybody, sorry kung yung energy ko mababa na, ha?
Okay.
Parang yung gusto ko lang mag-relax, pero hindi na sila nare-relax. Everybody, kung ganito yung mukha ko, sorry. Just 1 minute, okay? Pagod na kasi talaga ako.
Come on, my friend, come on.
So, here...
So, I am going to introduce this care. Our
Salam. Ay, salam. Shpata. So, that's how you greet Kalashi people. You say shpata, not salamalaikum, okay? So, they're having barbecue right now. So, I was supposed to be sleeping now. Pero, paano tayo tatangi sa mga libreng barbecue? Sunog yung mukha ako, grabe. You know, I've been traveling for almost 2 days now. Because, bukas na ako maging story time, okay? Pagod na talaga ako. Kakain lang ako tapos magkita-kita tayo on the next part of this vlog.
You like local?
No. I don't drink a lot. Yeah. Thank you. So you're having a program?
Friends, they have.
Shokeriya. Taray, puro-purong.
we gather once a month.
Once a month.
Yes.
So I'm lucky.
Yes, yeah, you are lucky.
Yeah, because you guys are here today.
Hello everybody! I'm ending this incredible journey surrounded by the warm and welcoming Karachi people, sharing stories, laughter, and a glimpse into their unique culture. Until the next adventure, goodbye from one of the Pakistan's most fascinating communities. This is Kay Torato. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Bye!
Thank you all very much. Please, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.